What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overdrive. Today I got something cool for the S4 in this mysterious box here. So guys, I found this on Amazon and I did not know it was an OEM part, but when it came here, it came in this box. The box says original genuine part. So I did not know that when I bought it, but just a bonus now that it is an OEM part. Basically what it is aluminum pedals for the S4. Because for some reason the S4 did not come with aluminum pedals. It came with these like black diamond pattern pedals. So we want to just kind of change up the interior a little and get these aluminum pedals. So this is everything that came in the box. So here is the kick plate. A lot of times when you buy just the pedals on Amazon, they don't come with the kick plate, but I found one with the kick plate and the gas pedal and the brake. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and yeah, they look pretty good, so let's install them. So guys, I'll show you what the original pedals look like. So they're basically just black with kind of like a diamond pattern on them. I had similar ones in my Jetta, and I did the same modification. I put the aluminum pedals on. So I'm pretty sure the B8.5 came with these pedals. I'm not 100% sure, but my brother's A5, it's a 2015 A5 S-Line, and it has these pedals. So if you guys have a B8.5, I'm not sure, put it down in the comments below if they do have these aluminum pedals or not. Alright guys, so for the pedals, the brake one does come off and you replace it with this one, but for the gas pedal, this gas pedal actually fits over top the original pedal. So you don't need to take off the gas pedal, you only need to take off the brake pedal and replace it with the aluminum pedal. So you just kind of have to feel it. There's it's kind of like a groove and a ridge that fits over the gas pedal. It's a little tough, but it works, and yeah, you just got to fit it in these grooves. So I'm going to take out the mat just so we get some access to the kick plate. Let's get that out of here. Alright guys, it's time. Let's do the install. Alright guys, so the install is over. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that was kind of a pain in the it was pretty hard to get the kick plate on. There's not a lot of videos on YouTube to watch on how to install it, so I'm gonna kind of explain it to you guys because it was hard to record it and explain exactly what we were doing. So I'm gonna show you guys and kind of explain it to you in depth. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. It looks super good. I love the way the aluminum looks in the car. It kind of just pops out when you open the door, especially all these silver touches in the car. It really contrasts nicely, and I love the way it looks. But it was pretty hard to install. So basically, we loosened the hood latch that opens the hood. We took that out. And basically there's a T25 screw in there that you loosen just so you have access to this this piece down here. It basically loosens out so it makes the kick plate a little loose. So basically, right here in the corner, there's like a lining that lines up in between the slot of the kick plate. So that was pretty much the hardest part. We were taking like a mini pry tool and just prying it loose, and yeah, it's on there tight, so that was pretty hard. So it takes patience, guys. So if you're gonna do something like this, make sure you got some patience, and yeah, so that was hard. But yeah, you just put it back in, make sure it's lined up nicely in that slot I was talking to you about, and then you put back on this piece here. Then for the brake, you pretty much have to muscle it out, just pull it off, and you'll feel it come off, and feel it come off the grooves. And then for the gas pedal, this was hard too, because basically fitting it in that groove was pretty tough. We had to use like picks to kind of put it in there. You can't just use your fingers. The picks helped a lot. But yeah, guys, it was pretty difficult, but I think it was worth it. It looks really good, and it feels good on your feet too. There's a lot of grip there. But yeah, guys, I just like giving you guys honest reviews of the level of difficulty before you guys buy them and put it on your cars. So I just like being honest, and yeah, it was difficult, but it looks really good. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope you guys have a good idea of how to put on these pedals. Yeah guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I have another piece for the interior that's going to go on. Something pretty cool. Nothing crazy, but just more accents in the interior. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that, and hope you guys are enjoying the S4 content, and peace out.